Hi there, I am Alex and today I will show you the new way to handle web development tasks and resolve bugs at AI speed with Webvizio. Meet the Webvizio MCP server. It connects the simple visual tasks from Webvizio directly to AI-first IDE like Cursor and Windsor, letting them understand and execute your development tasks with speed and accuracy. Let me show you how it works. Let's say we want to redesign this profile page by moving the avatar into its own column. With Webvizio, anyone, a manager, a designer, a QA engineer, or even a client can create tasks right on the page in your browser. Let's do one right now. I will just type move the avatar section to the right column. All set, the task has been created. It's easy and can be done by anyone, no matter of their background or experience. Now, let's switch to our IDE. In my case, it's Cursor, and as a developer, I have two options. I can copy the task link and ask Cursor to execute it, or I can ask the AI agent to show me my tasks in Webvizio and choose one I want to work on. So I will type show me my tasks. Now let's ask AI to execute our task. So let's work task. As you can see, the AI agent doesn't just get the task description. It receives a detailed, auto-generated prompt packed with all the technical context it needs to execute the task. In this case, the prompt is enough for agent to understand and complete the task. If necessary, the AI agent can access the screenshot, console logs, network logs, or repro steps. Additionally, you are not limited to just the text. You can draw edits directly on the screenshot in Webvizio. So the AI agent also receives additional visual context. Meanwhile, our AI agent has completed the task. So let's accept the changes and check the results. And just like that, the avatar in the new column exactly as requested. So for the final step, I will go back to the IDE and close the task. I will type task complete, close it. Done. The entire process took us just 1 minute. Ready to bring this speed to your projects? Try Webvizio for free. Thanks for watching.